So yun guys, another biglaang workout with friends. Napaka-solid talaga ng mga tropa natin.
Habang nagwo-warm up, napadaanan ko yung music ni Jensen. And naisip ko na gawing music video type yung video na to. I hope magustuhan nyo. I just love the holiday season, especially yung mga ganitong moments with friends. Sabayan mo pa ng mainit na pandesal and music sa favorite mong banda ever since college. Ang perfect lang.